of business. The scope of business is very wide. It covers activities related to production, distribution of goods and services with an object to earn profit. These activities are industry, trade and commerce. These parts are considered the scope of business. These components are described in brief. Industry. Industry refers to that parts of business activities which is concerned with the extraction, production of products. The products which are raised, produced or processed by an industry may either be used by the consumer or by another concern for further production. The industry is classified by their activities as under: extractive industry, those industry which extract, raise or product raw material from above or below the surface of earth, for example agriculture, forest. Primary industry, that industry which are concerned with the production of raw materials in the shape of finished goods, for example mining. Constructive industry, that industry which engage in the construction of buildings, bridges, dams and roads. Manufacturing industry, the industry that is converting of raw material into finished goods, for example steel mills. Service industry, the industry which are engaged in the creation of intangible goods which cannot be seen or touched, for example doctor or teachers. Commerce. Commerce includes all those activities which flow the goods from one place to another. Simply, commerce means all those activities which start from the place of production to the place of ultimate consumer. These activities are transport, insurance, warehouses, advertisement agencies and banking. Trade. Trade is a basic economic concept involving the buying and selling of goods and services with compensation paid by a buyer to a seller, or the exchange of goods or services between parties. Trade can take place within an economy between producer and consumer. Trade can be divided into following two types: internal or home or domestic trade, external or foreign or international trade.